Hi my loves! So excited the holidays are officially here. I've partnered with CoverGirl to break down this bold burgundy look perfect for your holiday parties. I'm getting ready to host Christmas at our new house for the first time this year and planning Ali's first birthday party, so plenty of reasons to celebrate. Going to get started and break down this look and help you get into the holiday spirit too. Starting off with CoverGirl's True Naked Chocoholic Eyeshadow Palette, which literally smells like hot chocolate. I'm going to use the lighter nude shade as a base in my crease. Then I'm going to go in with the darker nude shade to define the crease in the outer corners. Next, I'm going to use the brown and go over the crease one more time. I love to use a soft blending brush for this to make sure there are no harsh lines. Then I'm going to use the same shade and use it to line my lower, then upper lash lines. Next, I'm going to use the burgundy color in the outer corners, again to give my eyes a nice jewel tone. For more dimension, I'm going to pat the white, pearly shade onto my inner corners. Then I'm going to pat the copper shade onto the centers of my lower lid, and then the rose gold sparkly shade into the centers of my lid and blend up. Adding a touch more of the burgundy shade under my lower lash line for a bit more color. Now that we're done with shadow, I'm going to use CoverGirl's Clean Matte Concealer under my eyes to brighten my dark circles and clean up any fallout. I also like to use a bit on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin to highlight these areas. Then blend in. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and use CoverGirl's new Exhibitionist Mascara to get really big, defined lashes. Next, I'm going to use CoverGirl's new Perfect Point Plus eyeliner on the inner corners of my eyes to brighten and widen them a bit. For any great holiday look, I love to layer highlighters for extra glow that feels festive. Going to start with CoverGirl's Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion in Daybreak on the upper cheekbones. Then I'm going in on the cheeks with CoverGirl's True Blend Serving Sculpt Palette, which is amazing because it gives you a contour, highlight, and blush all in one. First, I'm using the contour in the hollows of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, chin, and around my hairline. Then I'm going to tap on a bit of the blush to the apples of my cheeks, and pat a bit of the highlight on my upper cheekbones. Did I mention I love layering highlight? Third step of glow, I'm going to use CoverGirl's True Blend Super Stunner Palette and pat a bit more of this super bright highlighter to the upper cheekbones. Going to finish off this look with a sparkly burgundy lip to bring it together. I like to start off with CoverGirl's Farewell Feathering Lip Liner, which is a clear lip liner that keeps your lipstick from bleeding. Then, I'm going to fill in with CoverGirl's Exhibitionist Metallic Lipstick in Ready or Not. I am obsessed with this shine. If you're wearing a top or dress that happens to show a little shoulder, try rubbing on a bit of the Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion in Sunkissed. Hope you guys love this tutorial and try it out for yourselves. I hardly ever go bold on both the lips and eyes, but I think it really works in these tones and all the sparkle feels really perfect for the holidays. Wishing you guys a happy holidays, whatever it may be that you're celebrating. Learn more at covergirl.com and check out the description box for details. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and vlogs coming very soon, and happy holidays!